Hey guys and girls, this is me Saima Parveen. Today we are going to learn about the rounding of data. To round off simply means to reduce a number to the desired significant figures. It is actually the procedure of dropping non-significant digits in a calculation and adjusting the last reported digits. There are certain rules to learn the rounding of data. First, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then add 1 to the last digit to be retained. For example, if you have 5.76, then the last digit is greater than 5, then drop it and simply add 1 to the digit and we get the number 5.8. Moving towards the second rule, if the digit to be returned is less than 5, then simply drop it. For example, if you have 4.32, here the last digit is less than 5, then simply drop it and we will get 4.3. Moving towards the rule number third, if the digit to be dropped is exactly 5, then two possibilities arises. If the digit is odd or the digit is even. First condition, if the digit to be returned is even, then just drop the 5. Like if you have 7.85, then drop 5 and we will get 7.8 because the second last digit is even. But in our second condition, if the digit to be returned is odd, then add 1 to it. Like if we have 7.35, then drop it and add 1 to the second last digit. So here we will get 7.4. Moving towards the last rule. Rule number 4. If there is no decimal point in a number, then add 0 when any digit is dropped. For example, if you have 423, then when you drop 3, just simply add 0. We will get 420. These are certain rules for learning the rounding of data. Thank you.